Hey, welcome to Divine Empowerment with Mercy. This is Coach Mercy Omeni, and I'm so excited that you're here. You're taking a giant step. So, what do I say to you? Congratulations. Let's do it. Step by step guide to loving you and elevating your self-esteem. This is what I call the pathway to self-discovery and happiness. Have you ever been frustrated and thought that you're crazy and nobody really, understands you? The thing is, you've not even understood yourself. Come on. This is where you're going to understand yourself and put yourself where you belong. So you don't have to bother who doesn't care about you, because you belong to a certain class of people. You belong to your own like-minded people. You don't belong to everybody else. You don't belong to every group. That is why we get frustrated, because we put ourselves where we don't belong. You are to be celebrated, not to be tolerated. Come on. And so this is the time that you're going to learn how to love yourself and have your self-esteem boosted. Like loving yourself unapologetic. Did I say that word right? Unapologetically. Unapologetically. That is the way to love yourself. And I'm here to give you the steps, the tools, the strategies to love yourself and elevate your self-esteem. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm so excited for you. It is life-changing. It's going to take you to the level you have never found yourself. You feel like you're flying. No more resistance, no more restriction. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oftentimes we are the block on our way. We don't even realize until we free our minds from whatever it is that we are giving power to block us. So today, let's get into it.